The Constitution of India is the supreme law of the land, providing the framework for governance. The Indian Penal Code (IPC) governs criminal offences and penalties in India. The Code of Criminal Procedure (CRPC) outlines procedures for the administration of criminal justice. The Indian Evidence Act deals with the rules of evidence during legal proceedings. The Civil Procedure Code (CPC) governs procedures in civil suits. The Constitution of India provides the framework for governance in the country. The Indian Penal Code (IPC) defines criminal offences and their corresponding penalties. The Code of Criminal Procedure (CRPC) ensures proper administration of criminal justice. The Indian Evidence Act establishes rules for presenting evidence in legal proceedings. The Civil Procedure Code (CPC) regulates the procedures followed in civil suits. The Constitution of India serves as the highest law, guiding the governance of the country. The Indian Penal Code (IPC) determines the punishments for various criminal offences. The Code of Criminal Procedure (CRPC) lays down the procedures for handling criminal cases. The Indian Evidence Act governs the admissibility and presentation of evidence in court. The Civil Procedure Code (CPC) contains the rules and processes for civil lawsuits. The Constitution of India acts as the supreme legal authority, providing a governance structure. The Indian Penal Code (IPC) prescribes punishments and penalties for criminal acts. The Code of Criminal Procedure (CRPC) outlines the steps involved in criminal proceedings. The Indian Evidence Act establishes guidelines for presenting evidence in court. The Civil Procedure Code (CPC) sets the procedures to be followed in civil cases. The Constitution of India is the fundamental law that governs the country's functioning. The Indian Penal Code (IPC) defines and classifies criminal offences and their punishments. The Code of Criminal Procedure (CRPC) ensures fair and effective administration of criminal justice. The Indian Evidence Act regulates the admissibility and proof of evidence in legal proceedings. The Civil Procedure Code (CPC) provides guidelines for conducting civil cases in court. The Constitution of India acts as a guiding framework for the governance and functioning of the country.